Hi guys, today we have to the video of this guy, Utilitarian Secondary Television Screen. Here it is, and we are rating EAS alarms for 1 to 10. Okay. What? Okay. I don't like this anymore. Fuck. 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 Everything else. Okay. Okay. USA pretty normal. I think is a 5 out of 10. Is not that scary. Ontario, Canada, I think is the 7 out of 10 because that's scary enough. Tell me what. 0 out of 10. That's not possible. Okay. This, I think 1 out of 10. Not scary enough. Sound like Siren Head. So I think 11 out of 10. But that's just 0. New Zealand 5. Okay. The phone is like UK. So 0. What the fuck? What? So Singapore, Indonesia. Wait. It was Singapore. 0 out of 10. Not scary. But the Malaysia is 99 out of 10. It's scary. Mexico 0. Beat run. Italy 0 2. 0 0. 0 2. 1 5 and 1. Oh, million out of 10 because it's scary. I'm not gonna lie, it's like a vibe for me. Back. In Greenland. Look at my. Look. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, creepy, but no. 0 out of 10. Okay. It's in a news show, I think. Okay, Sweden is not that bad. It's 0, 0, 2. One. Okay, sound like I think 10. No. Yeah. I think 0. No, 10. Oh. Yeah, 0. No, 10. I think. What?
We interrupt our program.
Okay.
This is a national emergency. The following message is transmitted to the should seek out and prepare to take shelter immediately.
Okay, Egypt 0. 0. Okay. 0. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. Okay, Greece is false. False. So, a robot is different. Okay. Zero. Bum. 0, but not its case. Okay. Infinity. Okay. Switzerland is like Brazil. So, million. Okay, that's creepy. Is it 0? 0, 2? No. 0. I think 10. 10. No. 0. Yeah. I think no. 0. No, 1. I think 10 million or billion. What? Okay, I like this. 0 of the Chile. Okay, 0. 0, 2. Oh, what is? I think 10 billion. Okay, 0.
Προσοχή. Silver alert.
And Nigeria a 0. Okay. This part. Okay, what's one? No, 0. No. Okay. The real Turkey. Listen. I barely skipped them. It's because I don't know the name. What's this? Gabon? Okay. This is Eritrea or South Sudan? Azerbaijan, okay. Togo. I think. Pakistan is a 10 or 0. Okay, 0. 0, 2. I don't know the 6. I don't know too the name. Vatican. Okay. Okay. Vatican. I don't know. Okay, I know Cambodia. Thailand? The fuck are you doing here? What? Okay, it's infinite dot. I don't know. The Cook Islands? Sorry. Looks like Thailand. Yeah, that's 10. 10 million of 10. That's a 5. 0. Anyways, bye.